I've always been a fan of the cateen here. I understand that they work really hard to, they're also 10,000 feet and they have a very small kitchen and a budget. And they have to bring food so I like their food. They really strive hard to give us fresh food like avocados, that's always there. They have fresh fruit, they have vegetables, they really try hard. The dorms have been a topic like the kitchen, topic of discussion, many discussions. The dorms are temporary. Eventually we're going to get a residencia. It's being built right now, and I'm hoping by next year things will change drastically up here. But in the last years, since I've been here and everybody else here, we've been sleeping in these dorms. Each room is quite small. There's a little bed and an individual bathroom, so that's quite comfortable. I've learned with time to ask for a humidifier at night because that helps you breathe through the night and you don't wake up with a very dry nose. The walls are very thin. You can almost hear the person next door breathing. Everybody's aware of that now, so people take care, even if they have personal conversations, to have them quietly without being overheard by the person next door.